Hey everybody, it's me Sissy back today with a little thrift flip for you. I found the cutest little lamp at my Goodwill. I paid like $3 for it, and I plugged it up and it does work. It's just a little wonky on the base, so I'm going to have to fix that and clean it up, but it's got the cutest little bird's nest with some little birdies in it. So we're going to get it fixed up, and then we're going to fix a lampshade for it using this beautiful gift bag from Dollar Tree. So stay tuned. Before we get started with the DIY or the little flip, I want to give a shout out to my good friend Janice Ranger. She sent me a gift at Christmas, and it somehow or another it got sent back. It's undeliverable, so she resent it, and I can't tell you, the timing couldn't have been better. I was having a really bad day, and it came and it had the cutest little things in it. And I know they're Christmas, but I don't care. I love it anyway. But it had a cute little card with a puppy on it and a sweet little note on the inside. And then it was just full of llamas. And y'all know I love my llamas. Beautiful little llama die-cut gift sacks. These are really cute. I can surely save those for next year, or I may be able to use them for Valentine's Day, but I haven't figured it out yet. And then some adorable little a llama sleep mask, which that is great. I love that. And these beautiful little llama ornaments, the little pair, they're so cute. And then another pair of llamas. And these are adorable. I actually have one of these on my tree this year, and I just loved him. I actually have him still sitting out. I didn't put him up when I put my decorations up. And a cute little Christmas tree. Now I can put that up for next year, but I just thought it was so adorable and so timely. Even though it was misdirected and late and everything, it couldn't have come at a better time. So thank you so much, Janice. I really appreciate it. So let me, oh, and it's had this gorgeous paper in the box, which, you know, I can't throw anything away. I'll have to use that. And then the box is just adorable. So it's a Bath and Body Works box, but isn't that pretty on the inside? So I'll have to find some way to use that. So, but thanks again, Janice. We're going to give it a good cleaning. Usually I would do this with LA Awesome, but I haven't been able to get out of the house to go get any, so as soon as I get the all clear, I can go out and do a little Dollar Tree haul. But I'm just using a little bit of Fabuloso and a microfiber rag. I had thought that I was going to have to paint this, but I don't think it needs any paint. There's one or two places that could just use a little touch up, and I do want to change the color of these beautiful little eggs in the basket, so we're just going to get it cleaned up. Okay, and it was leaning a little bit. I just kind of pulled it over and I got it kind of straight now, but it does have these wires that are sticking out right here, and I just want to bend those down a little bit so they're not so noticeable, and I may put a little dab of brown paint on them. I'm just going to take a little bit of this Folk Art multi-surface paint. This is dark brown, and I'm just going to cover up these wires a little bit so they're not so noticeable. The eggs in the basket, I'm going to give a little dab of this Apple Barrel Gloss Tropical Blue. Kind of match our gift bag a little bit. You see in there they got a little blue tint to them. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make a template, and I just have some paper here, parchment paper from Dollar Tree. And we're just going to cut a piece off. We're going to take our piece of parchment paper and we're going to fold it in half, find the center point. I mean, you may know a better way to do this or an easier way, but this is what worked for me. Then I'm going to take my lampshade, and you can see where it's joined on the inside. I'm going to put that right on the edge of where I put the fold. And then I am just going to trace along. Then I got my curve. I'm going to fold my paper back in half, and then I'm going to cut along that curve, and that should be the bottom edge of my lampshade. Y'all forgive me if I sniffle. I've been a little under the weather. Okay, so we have that. And now we're going to fit it and make sure that that is correct. We're going to mark the top. Oh, my vicious babies. It must be a squirrel. So we're going to make a mark at the top. So we'll see where we need to cut that. And I did cut my pattern just a little bit bigger because I would rather it be bigger than smaller. That looks about right. So now we're going to cut up our gift bag. And I have this gorgeous gift bag from Dollar Tree, and it is a bird on both sides, and then it's just plain in the middle. Okay, so when we get it cut out, we're going to fit it to our lampshade again. And I got that really, really close, y'all. Really glad of that. I'm going to have to trim the top just a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and get it glued on. Now, you could either use spray adhesive or hot glue. Or Mod Podge, I guess. I'm not sure. This is fabric, so I'm just going to use some hot glue, and I'm just going to put some right here on the bottom, and some at the top just to get it centered. So I have my focal point of the little bird exactly where I want it. Just like that. And you don't have to glue it all the way around. Of course you can if you know that's. And I'm not worried about it's going up a little bit because I have this. So we got the lampshade all cut out, and I have this little section of flowers left over. I think I'm going to cut it out and decoupage it on the back on the spot where all the blue is. So I'm just going to kind of cut around some of this design. The little flower medallion, I'm going to see if I can put that on there with the glue stick. That way I don't have to decoupage over the whole lampshade. So around the top I'm going to add this trim. I've had this forever. This is back from my long ago days when I made Barbie dolls. So we're just going to glue that around the top and the bottom of the shade. I'm going to start in the back. Just a dab of hot glue. Okay, and if you're going to put trim on the top of your lampshade and the bottom of it, you need to get something wide enough to cover whatever you're trying to cover, but narrow enough that it can conform to the curvature without making a wrinkle or a pleat. There's our beautiful little bird nest lamp with a lampshade made from a Dollar Tree gift bag. So that was really cute. I can't wait to put it in my bedroom. Once I get it put in my bedroom and everything fixed up in there, maybe I'll let y'all have a look. Remember, if Sissy can do it, y'all can do it too. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.